Siapa yang megang laptopnya? Oke. Ya. The topic finding word and meaning using context clues. Fajriansa ada? Ada Fajriansa? Halo? Atau hanya numpang nama saja ini? Halo, jawab.
Fajriansa belum masuk mungkin, Mam.
Ya, oke. Saya delete ya Fajriansa. Presentasi harus on time. Muhammad Hamdil ada?
Hadir, Bu.
Oh, udah. Coba jangan close kamera. Masa presentasi close kamera sih?
Ya.
Oke. Open. Please open your camera. Kemudian kalau nggak open saya delete loh. Nggak masuk. Nur Fadila Putri. Mana orangnya?
Hadir, Mem.
Ya, oke. Good job. And Tisha Aisyah.
Ya, Mem.
Ada. Oke, good job. Oke. Tisha, Nur Fadila, share screen. Are you ready? Presentation today in the class?
Mem, maaf, ini Imam Firmansyah hadir.
Oh iya, kamu lagi nyetir mobil ya?
Enggak, baru
Ya
sampai.
wis. Oh, baru sampai. Ya udah,
Maaf, Bu,
Pak
ya.
Jeriansa. Jangan close kamera ya kalau presentasi ya. Mengurangi nilai saudara nanti nih. Oke. Learning objectivities ya. In this chapter, the student will learn about using context. Nekocang, mau kemana kamu? Awas kabur. By the end of the course ya. This is while readingnya, and then from konteksnya. Nah, Anda jelaskan. You try. They explain teknik for guessingnya. Oke, Ucus please. Silakan.
Pemakalah kirim PPT dulu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 10 on the presentation finding word meaning using context clues. Muhammad Hamil Fajri. A. Learning objective. In this chapter, the student will learn about using contact clues. By the end of the course, the students are expected to be able to determine and guess the meaning of difficult word by using the contact clues. B. Material description. What do you usually do when you come to a word you do not know while reading? A. Look it up in the dictionary. B. Ask your teacher. C. Ask your friend. D. Try to guess what is meant. Actually, guessing will help to get a wrong idea about the word while you are reading. Double check with the dictionary before you memorize the meaning and the use of the word. Next. Here are some advantages of using the meaning of a word by using context clues. B. It is fast because you don't have to interrupt your reading. B. It helps your comprehension because you can focus on the general sense of what you are reading. C. It helps you remember that words within their context. D. It allows you to enjoy your reading more because you don't have to stop so often. When you try to guess the meaning of a unknown word, you ask the text surrounding the word of the context to provide you with clues. Sometimes you can guess the meaning of a word from other word within the sentence, but sometimes you may need to read several sentences in order to find the clues. Using from context refers to ability to infer the meaning of an expression using contextual clues. These clues might be purely linguistic or situational. A. Linguistic context, the linguistic environment in which a word is used within a text. B. Situation context, extra linguistic elements that contribute to the construction of meaning. This may involve background knowledge of the subject. What this amounts to is that learners should be able to infer the meaning of unknown word using A. The meaning of vocabulary items that surround it. B. That why the word is formed. C. Background knowledge of the subject and the situation. Next. One and one. Inches of using. Texts are often full or redundant and constantly students can use the relation between different items within a text to get the meaning or pure knowledge of the word may also contribute to understand what an expression means. A. Synonym and definition. Example 1. Kingfisher are a group of small to medium-sized bright-colored birds. 2. When the maid insult remarked toward his teacher, they sent him to the principal for being disrespectful. Next. B. Antonym and contrast. Example 1. He loved her so much for being so kind to him. By contrast, he abhorred her mother. C. Cause and even. Example 1. He was disrespectful towards the other member. That's why he was sent off unpenalized. D. Part of speech. Part of speech means whether the word is a noun, a verb, an adjective, or an adverb, function and subject, a predicate, or a complement. Example, one Trojan is an example of a computer virus. Next. Next, the read is Muhammad Hamdil Fajri.
Gua.
Yes.
A word from the morphological properties of the word. When you are asked to determine the meaning of a long word that you do not now and know in the reading section, it is sometimes possible to determine the meaning of the word by studying the word parts. It means it is important to have knowledge about the base or the root of the words. The more famous and their relatives, such as fix. Example one, this, meaning not, less, meaning without. Next. Sabar. Here is the short list of word parts. Ini dibaca, Dila.
Iya.
Kontra, against, contrast, say, dictation. Mal, bad, malcontent, master, dominant. Miss, error, mistake, judge, judgment. Sub, under, subway, dead, mortal. Deck, 10, Kade, spectator. Multi, many, multiple, tear. Earth, territory. Soul, one, solo, turn, deferred, three, triple, fifth, life, revive. General knowledge. Example one, the French Constitution established bahasa Jerman as a system of government where there is a strict separation of church and state. Next. C, exercise. Exercise 1. Instruction in the paragraphs below on word has been replaced with a nonsense word. Use the context to guess what the underlined nonsense word means. A, all tourists visiting Thailand should first get a SVIP. Yeah, they will not be allowed to enter at all without one. Travelers without a SVIP will be seen, can be given on the spot where they come from a SVIP. Can be given on the spot if they arrive by plane or by car. However, they may have to wait a long time for one. This can be avoided by getting a SVIP before they leave their countries. What is a SVIP? Password. Next. Mana ya? B. Various kind of rooms are available in Singapore. Some are for one trip only. Some are for a day and some for 3 days. The 3-day room is useful for tourists who wants to visit different parts of the city. It allows them unlimited travel for 3 days on the local bus and underground trains. Rooms and timetable for buses are available at all tourist information centers. What is a room? Tourist. C. In Hanoi, it is wise to get yourself a whoop as soon as possible. It is very easy to get lost if you leave the main streets. You can get free whoops and at a tourist information center, but they are not complete. Better whoop can be found in the bookstores. These have more details and they provide names of all the street. What is whoop? Next. Next. As the harmful effects of roping on health have become widely known. Many cities and some countries have passed laws that limit where it is allowed. In many places, roping is no longer permitted in the restaurant and bars. Owners of restaurants and bars were against prohibition laws because they believe that their business will suffer. But that lasted only for the first few moments. After that, business returned to normal. The laws have also had another positive effect. Apart from making the air cleaner for everyone, more people have given up MROPNG altogether. What does roping mean? Quarantine. Next. Sekali lagi ya, Dila. Udah. There is misconception that a person who obtains a PhD must be SWALCH. This can't be all true. SWALCH qualities like brilliance and quick thinking are irrelevant in PhD. Level studies, let there be doubt, brilliance and quick thinking are valuable in other pursuits, but they are neither sufficient nor necessary in doing PhD research. Certainly, being SWALCH help, but it will not get the job done. What does SWALCH mean? Dah, selanjutnya Tisa Aisyah, Pasriansa.
All right.
F.
F.
In
many countries, there are electronic signs along routes that zoom driver about dangers or problems ahead. These may be short-term danger, such as an accident or bad weather, or longer-term problems, such as road work. Studies have shown, however, that drivers do not always notice these signs. To be sure that drivers are zoomed about the condition of the road, the Highway Management Service in Scotland has developed a new electronic system that sends messages directly to special electronic system built into car. Do the system work better to zoom drivers than roadside signal? It's too soon to tell. The results on the first studies will be published next year. What does zoom mean? Notification. Next. Age. At the beginning of World War II, when the Germans moved into northern France, They searched the towns and countryside for escaping French soldiers who were sent to prisoner of war camps in Germany. Next, they tried to zap all the guns or other arms they could find. Thought many people hid theirs on farms or underground. The Germans also took all the horses from farms and towns because they were needed in the army. This loss really hurt to the French, since the lack of gasoline made horses necessary to work the farms and for transport. Not long after this, the Germans zipped radios as well, so that people could not listen to foraging news report. What does zip mean? Answer is bring. Page. During my stay in the city, I often used to sit on a stone wall by the river bank in the early evening, hoping for a cool breeze. South, drew never was one. On one side was the white city. On the other side were the African village, and all day long there were large drills that went back and forth, bringing people, basically cars and trucks, to and from the city. At this time of day, city workers were eager to get back to their own work on the far side of the river. Drily risked and joking, the Africans pushed forward when the drill arrived. Many were carrying loads on their heads or bicycles on their shoulders. Some were so anxious not to miss the chance to get home. They can leap down the steps and jumps into the drill. It's pulled out. What does drill mean? The answer is cross shape. Masih gua bisa. Masih. E. The French news report had been warned not to dress in a way that marked them obviously as foreigners. They were also told not to walk down the middle of the street, where they could be assumed for any enemies on the roofs. They should always stay close to the buildings, ready to run into a doorway if they heard or saw anything suspicious. They should always wear a bulletproof vest. They all did as they had been told, but still did not feel safe. It was impossible not to think of the college who had been wounded and killed in the streets. They walked the, they walked quickly, looking up at the rooftops. There was no telling when and where a sharpshooter might decide it was time for gym practice, and they really missed their gym. What does gym mean? The answer is coveted. Masih Adri. Halo. Masih. Tadilah. Video orang. Ini masih gua. Hah? Nggak ada suaranya. Exercise 2. Instruction. Read each text expert. Use contact clues to help you complete the statement. A. A, bon- a botanical garden is an area of flora in which plants are grown chiefly for scientific, educational, or aesthetic purpose. They usually surround an institution such as a universities or museum. Number 1. Botany is the study of blah blah blah. The answer is botany is the study of plants, including almost all eukaryotic organisms that can photosynthesis. Number 2. A synonym for plants is. The answer is shrubs, flora, trees, grasses, and shrubs. Number 3. A word that means pleasing to the sense is. The answer is reassuring. Number 4. A university may have botanical gardens for the purpose of conversation, research, and education. Number 5. True or false? All botanical gardens are open to the public. Not all botanical gardens are open to the public. For example, Chelsea Basic Garden. B. Beech is the name of a family of trees that grows in the temperate regions of North America and Europe. It has papery leaves and slender twigs. Its fruits, big nuts, are edible. Its wood is used for making furniture and for fuel. Number 1. Beech nuts are the blah blah blah. The answer is fruit of the beech tree. Number 2. A synonym for area is. Synonyms of area is zone, nature, in area, environment. Number 3. The word answer is temperature. Describes a seasonal climate. Number 4. A word that means able to be eaten is destroyed, tempered with, spent. Number 5. True or false? Beech trees have paper leaves. The answer is true that beech trees have paper leaves. C. The area covering the presidency of James Polk was known as the Fabulous Forties. During this time, the American flag was raised over much of the Western Territory. Texas became a member of the Union. Gold was discovered in California. Covered wagons rolled over the Oregon Trail. An American sang Stephen Foster. Oh, Susanna. Number 1. The Union refers to the blah blah blah. The answer is association. Number 2. Our word meaning period of time is blah blah blah. The answer is the process, action, or state of being or taking place. Number 3 is Susanna, a story, a song, or a campaign slogan. The answer, yes. Susanna is a story, song, or campaign slogan. Number 4, what state entered the Union during Polk presidency? The answer is United States of America. Number 5, true or false? Polk was president during the 1940. The answer is false. James Polk served as the 11th US president from blah blah. Next, Tisha.
Exercise 3. Instruction. Find the meaning of the underlined word in the each set of their synthesis below. A. Never tamper with electrical fitting without first switching off the main power supply. It is illegal to add, take away, or otherwise tamper with the content of this video. Several research assistants were accused of the tampering with the result of the experiments. What does tamper mean? Answer is to destroy has a meaning in the class of verb or verb so that damage can express an action, existence, experience, or other dynamic meaning. Next. B. When the train pulled out and the crowd had finished, he could see a small, forlorn figure sitting on the suitcase. Dren held onto a forlorn hope that somehow at the end of the world war they would all be together again. 2. Forlorn trees stood out, black and naked, against the snow-covered field. What does forlorn mean? Answer is sadness or misery is an emotion characterized by feeling of disadvantage, loss, and helplessness. C.